The thickness is like all the way through, and they smell. So this ring light is hitting. Review on that coming soon. I wanted to do a quick unboxing because I got some yummy extensions. So what I ordered was the LAO Wavy 22-inch clip-ins. It was, I think I want to say it's like 4, maybe 5 pieces, and my total was, it was $275, but then they gave me a $30 discount, and then plus the shipping and the taxes, it was $273. So that was a total of that. Came in a little FedEx package like this, and then it has the Yummy extension bag. It also had the hair care tips with the scannable QR code on the back, and the Yummy product card. That always is like that, so this one's just whatever. So that's the description of what I got. I just want to say that I was super excited to try these, and the quality on these bundles, look at that. You could see that shine. The thickness is like all the way through, and they smell amazing. I think my hair, well, no, it's not too dark. Okay, so it doesn't really look like a lot, so I'm kind of nervous. I might need another pack, but we're just gonna open them and see how it looks. I'm super excited to try clip-ins because I like weaves, but I have to wash my hair more frequently than the average person. So clip-ins will be a lot more convenient for me. What I did to my hair was just wash, blow dry, flat iron, and then I used the BioSilk, what is this, therapy, and the cheek keratin oil. I just tried to get it as straight as possible. I did get a new flat iron. It's actually really cool. It was $20 at Marshall's. It is called the Gem Glamour Energy Magic. It goes up to 450 degrees. It's got a digital display. It's really nice. I think it was a good buy for $20, and it got my hair super straight. So I have 1 4-clip, 2 4-clips, and what is this? Okay, 1 3-clip, and then 2 2-clips. So I think I'm gonna split one of these 4s into 2. because that wouldn't have been enough. So now I'll have 4 2s, 1 3, and 1 4. Baby, you want to help me put in my clip-ins? Okay. Where did all my clips go? And I've heard that Yummy extensions last for up to a year, which I was really excited about because that would save me a lot of money. A lot. So I'm gonna put this 3 clip first. Okay. Then I'm not even like doing specific size sections. I'm just kind of sloppy parting it. Okay, so nah. So I still have I still have one more 2-clip, and I almost think I want to make it a 1 and put them on my sides. Oops. And that looks really good already. I haven't even tried to blend it. I think the thickness is okay for like a natural look. I probably would in the future get another one, but I wouldn't use the whole thing. It would just be for fullness in some areas. But I really like this. This is gonna be my new go-to. It's not even a spray. I like the natural wave pattern, so I don't want to take that out. But I also don't want my hair to be like super noticeably out. I highly recommend you make a purchase because these extensions, they feel really good. I'm gonna just put a little bit of oil on it. Yeah, they smell good and they feel bomb. This is supposed to be my new go-to, like clippings. What's missing out? Yes. See that shine? Yes. I low-key do want to flat iron it, but I'm gonna leave it wavy today. And then turn around so you can see back. Super cute. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so that was my unboxing for the Yummy extensions clip-ins. I rate them 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. But I will do another update in a month or so just to kind of touch base on everything. So yeah, if you like this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for other posts. I'm gonna try to post maybe once or twice a month. I'm not gonna post very often on YouTube, but I have some fun things coming in the future. I have lots of reviews and stuff that I want to do for you guys, so keep your eyes open for that. I'm loving this hair. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep touching it. But yeah, so that was that. This is Everything Imani, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.